Jamrock home. Presents. The Chosen One. Jamaican movie full. Starring Sister Petra. Ethic boss.
No, sir, I cannot sleep. I cannot sleep at all. Something is troubling my spirit. And I cannot put my finger on it at all. Something wrong somewhere. Jeremiah? It's like him fast asleep. My spirit is troubled and I feel so uncomfortable. It's like something is going to happen. And I don't understand, what Jeremiah and Petra could be out there talking. I just don't trust them. Jeremiah leave the room, and he was so upset, and then he come in smiling that it is okay for our son to come and build. That is just strange to me. I wonder if they were out there planning how to rob my son money, to thief my son money. Because I can't put nothing past them. I cannot trust Jeremiah and that little girl no more. I don't know what to say. Lord, forgive me if I'm saying the wrong thing, but I don't know. I disturb my spirit just troubled. And I feel so uncomfortable. The time I'm in here talking, I would go outside to meet my son. I hope that little girl don't do anything to my son, Alright. Since I only have something planned, let me go protect my son. Me say, Daddy, must glad to see you, man.
Yeah, look good, man, sis.
Yeah, look nice, man.
How plant up the place, sir?
Oh, you mean how plant up here? Daddy plant up here place.
All apple tree now after, man,
Yeah.
soursop tree.
Apple tree, soursop tree, and I see what mount a tree daddy plant.
You know long me not see a soursop tree, see?
So you not see guava tree too? All kind of different fruit in here.
That me I see, man, it look different than when me usually live here, man. Like how the place look.
So you expect the yard fit and same like how you left it?
No, me never say no, sis, but just like how the place green and pretty, man.
Me glad you like it.
So, sis, you know which part you say me I go build?
Nah, me don't know where because they never discussed that with me.
Oh, me I
But
say,
you just come here, so you want to know where you don't build already.
no, but me just a discuss, because as me I come in, me I say, right here so that big.
Right where?
Right after, so, sis.
Right here, so where? Yeah, so.
Yeah, because when me da look pan, the driveway, I could have just drive in straight, go in my garage.
Drive in. Okay. Yeah, so where you see, daddy plant up, he plant them and banana, and what a tree and name?
Coconut tree.
And coconut tree. So what you done do with all of what daddy plant here, so?
Me da just pay somebody if you come and just transplant this up with them.
Oh, so you well when I think before you just come in at the yard, right? Look into this. You just come in at the yard, you don't even put on your bag. You just you want me to say no about that cost. And you quarrel me there, quarrel with you, You this come. And you look up here, so you look down there, so and you see everything. And now the man plant up his... You know, say them your daddy name, me and daddy and mommy name when we hungry.
Me understand, sis, but me there now.
So if you're there now, what that have to do with what me say?
I'm hungry again, sis.
Oh, so me don't believe that. Me say if me don't believe, me look like me stupid.
Sis, just hear what me I say. Now
Me
we not cuss, not quarrel.
I'm not cuss you this come here, you can't cuss
right?
me.
Me that just build right here, so. Instead of me I go drive, go way around and back round so, and I have to go chop out the whole around so. Me not just build something right here, so, sis.
Very good, you have
me not go there, Me not go there,
Me never ask you that. Me never ask. What you say? Instead of you go way around there, so go chop. Round at the bush up part. So why you not pay somebody to chop round at the bush up part, right? And then when you build around there, your garage round there, nobody won't know when you're there. So they won't see your car.
Me understand
you understand me? And me just care about your safety. Don't make nobody know when you come. So build round at the back. When you shut down the garage, nobody don't know if you're in there or
Sis, me understand where you say, right? But me I say, me have to go dig up the whole place to go round and back, and me have to go pay a man to bring stuff round. And so when the material could I ever drop right, you say, you know, and the building start, you say, you know, sis.
Oh, so
If you agree with me, you know, and you talk, and we go and we talk to our father, you know, him a go say, well, anything what we say, we just do it.
So that's why you friend me up.
I don't friend me up, sis.
Don't friend me up because me not see the wrong and say right. You want easy life. You left from where you they come from. As you step in at the yard, you see you're wicked. You see you're wicked, boy.
Are you wicked enough? Are you wicked enough?
Listen to
because
what you
say. Come meet me so good. You understand what me I say? And now as me come in a yard, you start a change for me. What is for now?
Listen to me.
What is for?
Me just a suggest sitting to you. Cause this a could look right. You come in at the yard, good me eye you know. You look round. You see say apple tree and every kind of fruit tree there. You expected the yard to look same way like how you left it. You don't know when your man drink. As you come in, so your two big bud catch pan up your side of the land. The pretty part of land where Papa plant up is sitting them.
Sis,
me a chat to you,
boy.
Me not care when me a fight. Papa plant up is sitting them and a them with a yam.
But me not say no, them now go dead. Them now go dead, you know. I just transplant, we go transplant them, you know.
Me care.
Right, you know, sis, where the vibes they are push off for me, just feel like go back on me yard.
You're not happy go back, bossy, but
so why you make the two of we come to agreement?
Agree.
We don't like fight over land, you know, because when the dead we not carry no land, we do, you know.
Me glad you know.
It's come like a mama man thing to come here and fight over land, you know.
Me glad you say you is a mama man. Because from there one the truth even come in your head say, you fi come up here the counter about you want this move, you want that move, and you want do this, and you want do that. You're a mama man in case
so
somebody never tell you.
Sis, me just
know
a
what the
subject it, you know.
for?
Me not have to get it, you know, sis. Me can go on my back, but me just a say something between me and you, you know. We are brother and sister, you know.
Me glad you see say between me and you. And you see how me a rage like a bull. That for sure you say you shouldn't even think about that before you come to me. You think me stupid? You think of the little girl? The little girl who used to wear the baggy and blouse alone. You chat to me a big man now. You hear me no stupid. Look here. Me want you think about this. Look on the land. And yes, so you really want to come build
Let me tell you.
Well, look here.
Yes, I want to build. Let me tell you.
See, all right. Here you know. Me see say you want to look like I am the evil one. I am not the evil one. I am a good girl. So, all right. Yeah, it not go work. Me just tell you simple as that.
Mommy there.
Yes, mommy come.
Carry them and put them in the house. Mommy.
All right, baby, go along. What could this all cruff ya? Could this all good for nothing, boy? I want take me for? I want take me for? Show me there in the village you feel say, me a idiot, man. I ain't think say me a idiot. I want take me for, man. Imagine he don't even come in at the yard good. You understand what me they say? And the prettiest part on the land, in stepping at the yard, he start talk about this, he start talk about that, he start talk about him want this. He now walk under God green heaven, he now walk in here. He now walk. You understand what me they say? I mean I see man yam up and beat up my mouth, you know. And that me I tell him, well if a war he want a war him I go get because me say nah, they go nothing for Papa in here. Oh.
Mommy.
Me one son. Oh Lord, God be praised, God be praised. You feel fat, man. You look good.
So you
oh Lord, sit down, man. I'm good. I can see you. Oh, I can see all of muscle. What things are going for you, man?
Alright, mommy. I tell you, a long time I don't see you.
So why you take so long to come and look for your parents? Huh?
Me are just too daddy, you know.
Come on, that is totally lame excuse, man. Lame excuse. Because of your father, you don't come to look
Me have a little thing for you, no
us.
matter make daddy see it, you know.
Thank you, son. All of this is for me?
Yeah, man.
You sure?
Yes, mommy. No matter make daddy know say me give.
Don't worry yourself. You know your mommy know. Exactly what should
I you see big old argument a while ago with me and Petra.
I hear you and I arguing, but I couldn't hear exactly what both of you were arguing about. What happened?
It come a while ago, mommy, right?
Mhm.
Me I say if me build the house right out at the front there so.
At
So
the
me
front?
yeah, so me easy well could have just drive in and go in at the garage. And me I
Oh.
explain to her. Me not say me I go get it, you know. But me just explain to her the plan what me da have. So it that easy well instead of we are go drive go way around this and cause problem dig up in a yard and something.
Okay.
It are just easier to just put it there so.
Yes. Where your father's stuff is at?
Yeah, so me da get somebody to just transplant them somewhere different. And she even could have built on the top of it too. When
Who
me
you
done
talking, Petra?
yeah, when me done the bottom story, she could have go up on the top floor.
Okay.
You understand? Me no mean no
Yes.
harm and she a go on and she a cuss and
So
she a real.
what she was saying about?
I say a daddy stuff them plant there and not them uno live off cause of them.
That's true. That is true.
Yeah, me understand mommy what she a try to say. Me understand. But I know like say me I take them out and me I go destroy them. Nothing not happen to them, you know.
But I understand what you're saying because it would be easier for you to drop the material at the front
Exactly.
too,
Instead of me I
and
go
all
pay
of that.
somebody to carry it round and man, me no know.
Well, all right. I will see what your father says about that. And if she behaving like that, maybe your father can disagree too. Because to be honest,
So
it's what we really eat when you're not here.
yes,
You
mommy.
know.
So what me I say, you
But
don't have no talking in the yard.
I have thought, but it's just that I don't like the argument. You see, the argument and those things, I can't manage it. I can't deal with it. Because you know your father very miserable. He only look like him quiet, but him miserable bad, you know.
I know, mommy, but right, you said that do me good, mommy.
All right, I'll talk to your father about it and all of that. But everything all right. Otherwise, how is you and your family?
Everything alright so far, you know.
Your wife?
Everything good, mommy.
So how all of a sudden you want to come up here to live and to build and all of them something? Let me not understand. Is it live you want to live or you just come up here to just build the place and rent it? What is your plan? I don't understand you at all.
Well, mommy, what me want still, me have something which part my wife there. So me I say at least we could have built something up here, so.
Yes.
So when me come, me can rest comfortable.
Comfortable, okay. But
And
you
you
don't
can go
normally
and
come
stay in
here.
the house and keep it. You
Oh,
understand?
so
And
it's
me don't
really me
want
you really believe for me to stay in
Yes,
here.
mommy. Me not really want day here, so.
You just want to know that you have something where your parents live, right?
Exactly. And me no want you feel like say me a come to take over the place or nothing. Even she can live in it, you know, mommy. Because me no mean her no harm, but me no know what the problem is, mommy. Me I tell her the
Alright.
honest truth.
Well, to be honest with you, I don't understand them at all. You know, when I was saying it to your father, you know, your father says that him have to go through Petra.
Go to Petra for one Petra, little girl, mommy.
Yes, but your father said because Petra is here with us, and then, but the way how your father was behaving when I first said it to him, when you called me on the phone, I wasn't pleased with his behavior. But then he'd go outside and I don't know what they were talking about. But when they're finished talking and he come back in, he was a changed person. He was smiling, said everything is okay. So I figured that they talk and they would love for you to come and build because you see that the place don't look right. You know,
Yeah.
up to date at all. You understand me?
Because when time she meet me down the road, you know, mommy, she hug me up and she glad to see me, and as me touching at the yard, mommy, it just come like say all the way she a do, like say I pretend, she did a pretend. And me feel so good to say me come and me see say she change and everything I move good. But as me come in at the yard, it just, I'm feeling just take me again like say something they have up their sleeve, mommy.
But I would feel that way too. But to be honest with you, you know, in there and both of us say we go and lay down till when you come. And I could not sleep. I could not close my eye because something was just in my spirit don't right about those two. To be honest with you, you are my child and she's my child and he's my husband. But listen to me. I don't know. Something is in my spirit that you must just be careful of them. I don't know why. I can't put my finger on it to say this is what they're planning. I don't know if they're planning something. It's just that I feel disturbed in my spirit, son. and I don't want anything to happen to you. Cause me not see you for this long time. So me can't name you up and I don't know what was happening to you when you weren't here.
Yes, mommy.
I can't follow them and skin your life.
Rough time, you know, mommy.
But remember when you left here, you never had nothing.
Mommy.
You never look good, me never know you would turn to
Go
something.
through some breed or something to make things in a life, mommy, and this say me come here start my own family them and fight against me, mommy.
Maybe them things are things when they go on for you down there and you don't come, you don't come up here to help
me
us.
have to sleep, you know, mommy, until me get a nice little work and me start work and can do what me I do know, you know. And me come back and say me want something a year yard, you know, and Petra come like say me come to take over. And so bad mind, if you own a family, my bad mind your mommy, what you expect? What you expect stranger
to do?
Daddy! Daddy! Oh, Daddy asleep. Daddy! Daddy! Wake up! Wake up, Daddy.
You come back already?
Yes, we
The
come
Sunday.
back. Your son out the door. Go back more, Daddy. You go sit outside of you. So you not hear me out the door?
So my wife come out of the house and she not tell me say she a go outside.
Well, she out there. But I know that me they say to you, me say if you not hear me out there, me they go along bad out the door, you know?
How Petra, me not tell you say you know fi make no noise or you know fi behave no way.
Me never did behave no way at first, Daddy, but you don't know what the boy they come in at the yard cause say. The boy say him a go dig up all of your plant and banana and
It
cut
must
that
be
tree.
crazy.
Yes, and plant it round the back where the bush
It's
they say,
crazy.
and he don't build at the front of the yard.
No plant tree where shoot?
Oh, you mean he say he don't have a garage and it don't easy if he drive in car so go up in the so me have to deal with it.
Very
Yeah,
say
so-
to me, Petra.
Oh, you mean what me they say to you? Me say you should have hear me and him out there. Me say you this come here, you go like you want to take over already, boy.
So who for them here?
I feel him back them and he give me 50, but me search him back, Daddy, and me find something in there. And you know something too? Change your plan. Oh, change your plan me have. You see the plan what we did have? We went go and wait and make him billions. No, we not do that. I know the money in can't build billions.
So where you do take it out,
Me
Petra?
search it back and take out every cent out of it. Every cent, good amount of money the boy have. Say in can all of this a build house. So me say, I want to take away every money it away and hide it. And we build house for we sell. We not make him build and make him go out like say up here feed. Cause if him the got so already, but him want this so.
And when me a summarize to you know, your mother in it, you know.
She must know about it. And good as she tell the boy if he take it front page. You can't imagine, you know, and grown so.
You have a good idea.
Oh, you mean? Me nah give me
If
back.
you make the house, right?
Eh.
Him won't have no lock and party in the yard.
Alright.
Right?
That me they try say to you.
So
Oh.
at least we know say that would have be our house.
Yes.
You understand what
Yes.
I'm saying? And the people in the village can look up to you. You see, say, I do make a house and I do pay the money.
Alright.
That is a
Yes,
good
Daddy.
idea, no
Yes,
child.
Daddy. You see, say me that thing good too.
That is a good idea. So when him come in now and come for money.
You know, see, no money.
Listen,
He not gonna believe me thief. He don't think say the thief then thief on the bus when in there.
hear what me I say now, Petra.
Oh.
Right? You see, when him come in and if him a flare up or anything, we tell him mother say, right? A planning plan fi come up here fi call your thief. So that was the big deal now fi come up here fi say him have money.
That's
when him
a
not
good
have
one.
no money at all.
No, not that.
He
That's
just
a
want to come
good
up here
one,
to
Daddy.
make problem. You understand?
Daddy, you
That
make
is
me
a
feel
good idea,
proud of
Petra.
myself. That is right, Daddy. Me love that. Then you see a boy wicked. He have one kind of money for build big house, you know. And you can imagine we up here they suffer.
Exactly. So when he come in, no give you nothing out of the money.
Give me, he don't give me
My
nothing
God.
at all. You see, I'm wicked. Not even a pin. And when he out there, you know, and me have to run go hug him up, you know. And when me hug him, me they hug him up and say, me glad to see you, bro. Me glad to see you. Me love you, me love. He just stand up, so, you know. He just stand
come here with an intention.
Oh, you mean if he come here with an intention? Me say when me see the boy at the bag and sitting and me say, imagine he left how many years and he don't carry not even a high cement come give me. Me say me have to search that. Me have to search him bag and take out what me want out of.
So daddy tell me break my heart.
Break your heart. You can't tell them. Me know say so wicked problem. Me I will pick me when he left here. Me when know say well wicked.
So where you go put the money?
Me I go hide this in the kitchen. Cause nobody no look for money in the kitchen. I go hide in the kitchen. And what you think me fi do with it? Why you blow so for daddy? You know what me do it?
Yeah, man, you mean?
So you not gonna like your
side? But one daughter come to nothing.
Why you not gonna like your side? When me fi hide it? Cause me no...
Put it somewhere where nobody can find it. So when he gone,
yes,
me and you come up with a plan and we start to own a thing.
I don't know what me want me and you do first. Before we start build. Want me and you go out and we got KFC and we knock your mommy with because you know what she don't like.
She inveigle with him.
Yes, we don't go
and that's why I have so much strength and power in the yard.
Well, when he see with our KFC, you now gonna know say we that KFC. Because we go and buy the big bucket of chicken and yam before we go.
Petra, go put down the money before them come in.
Yes, daddy. Yes, daddy.
Mighty God. I can't believe you said that boy would have really want to come here. Come take the front page of the yard and root up my banana tree and my coconut tree them. Mighty God. Look how the yard big. And at the front page him choose it to want to make his house. Not in my cabinet.
Because the Bible tell you about these things. So it is reality and reality hurts, you know, but it is reality. You cannot change them. You cannot take out their heart and give them a new heart if they don't want it. You understand? You just have to know that you have to be wise in these times to know that anybody will put you away. Whether your mother, your father, your brother, your sister, your son, your picnic, anybody. It doesn't matter who. You have to be wise. You hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
You are not around me for me to encourage you. And I know that you have faced a lot out there because you left your suffering. And you don't even return back to let us know what is happening to you. And know that you come. I cannot bite off your head at all. But I'm just saying to you, just be wise.
But
you,
mommy,
you
as today I start talking, you know, so me give Petra with the bag, with the money.
What you mean? What you mean you give Petra the bag? Lord have mercy.
Ethical lifestyle system, Petra. Up and Christ to them losing faith. He stand firm and just a closing straight. When the trumpet sound, me feel the first at the gate. With the lantern lights, sweet home celebrate. Goodbye world, no more trouble, no pain. Inject me last straight in my vein.
Sing with the fire in me, Lord Jesus. Sing with the fire in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over.
In the grave I just run through your bone. Me I praise my Lord and I use my tone. Oh Lord, you are worthy to be praised. Me not give up, cause me know the journey soon over.
me stand firm for me Lord like any soldier. Michael and Gabriel take charge right now, clear the path.